Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing accounts and networks so discovery goes smoothly. Open the Alexa app and sign into your Amazon account. Make sure device maker accounts exist and are verified. Once done, power on the smart device and follow its quick setup to join your home Wi-Fi, prefer 4 GHz for wide compatibility. Then, in Alexa, choose Add Device and pick the correct category. This begins the handshake between apps, which is essential so Alexa can discover and control hardware. Next, enable the vendor skill inside the Alexa Skills Store because that provides the bridge for commands. Tap Enable, then link your maker account via the OAuth flow. This authorizes Alexa to manage your devices. After linking, return to Devices and run Discover Devices, or say, Alexa, Discover Devices. Alexa will scan and list compatible items. If a device doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth is off, the device is online, and both apps show the same home name to avoid mismatch. Finally, organize devices into groups or rooms so you can say turn off bedroom lights rather than address each bulb. Create routines for sequences. One command can lock doors and dim lights because routines simplify daily flows. Make sure to test voice commands and tweak names for clarity. If controls fail, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the smart device, then reauthorize the skill in Alexa. This refreshes tokens and often resolves connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.